up, guys? Welcome back into the channel. Thank you for stopping in. If you are new, you can see it's basically a whiteout. I'm in the tractor right now. I was going to use my suction cup mount and stick it on the window, but for some reason it doesn't want to stick very well. I don't want to stick it and then hit a bump and my camera fall and hit the ground. So I'm going to try and get some good footage here for you guys, pushing the snow and stuff in the 70-10 here. Like I said, I was going to try and suction cup it, but the tractor needs to be cleaned very well. It is pretty dirty in here. I haven't gotten around to it yet, but like I said, we're gonna try and get some footage for you guys using this beast, pushing some snow. We got about 6 inches overnight, and then I think they're calling for freezing rain today and more snow today and Wednesday. So I don't know how much we're gonna end up getting total, but I'm gonna try and get the driveways cleared, Grandma and Grandpa's, my sister's house, the farm here, all the way up to the shop up there, go up to my aunt and uncle's and get all their stuff cleared out. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Like I said, I was going to try and use the suction cup mount, but I don't want to take the risk of it not sticking, because I tried it here and then down here and it just fell. So I'm going to try my best. Don't hate me if I don't get a lot of footage, but I hope you guys enjoy, so stay tuned. Well, guys, since it's pretty freaking difficult to film with one hand, I'm just going to kind of show you what I'm doing here. So with the tractor and the blade, I'm back pushing it because I found out if I go forward, I'm digging into the ground and stuff. So I'm using the back of the blade to push it, which works out really well. I got my Grandma and Grandpa's house done. The farm is done. I'm gonna go over and hit my neighbor Tom's yet. Like I said, I was gonna try and mount the camera, or I tried to hold it as well, and it's just really hard because I'm looking backwards. I'm trying to operate the levers that are up there, and I gotta kind of steer and stuff, so it gets kind of difficult. But plus my sister's driveway is a little weird. It's like a Y almost. You have this section here that goes down, and then where the tractor is, it goes down. So right where I'm standing is grass, so I'm just trying to push this back a little bit. I'm not trying to make it perfect. Like I said, I'm gonna try and go hit my neighbor Tom's yet, because I have his to do, and then my aunt and uncle's down the road. So I'm just trying to hit a couple of these, get the snow and stuff removed. Just try and get everything cleared so it's easier. I can come back with the shovel and kind of fine tune it if I want, like the concrete slab there. I backed up and drug that out since that is concrete, and then I pushed the back with the back of the blade over. So we're gonna continue on, guys. I just want to give you a little bit of an update there, and we're gonna continue on. Well, guys, I hope you kind of enjoyed that little, I guess, me kind of pushing snow there. I did get the suction cup mount to stick out here, but yeah, I was not comfortable with it sitting out here as I was pushing snow. There's no way. I stuck it there just to back the tractor in. Did have to move the C60 a while ago because the grader blade was over there in front of the box blade. As you can tell, all our equipment's inside here. So I did have to pull that out. It was kind of a grumpy old man to get started, but we did get it started. I gotta turn the lights off here real quick. There we go. Lights should be off now on the tractor. At least I hope so. Yep. It was, like I said, the C60 was kind of a grumpy old man to get started. and it started to spin here. As I'm sure you've seen in that video, I stepped right here and I about fell. And yeah, all this right here is ice. So the C60, when I was pulling it out, kind of started to spin. So what I did is I just clutched it and let the back wheels kind of slow down a little bit to regain traction, and then it went straight on out. But I got it back in here. I'm gonna go ahead and probably plug back in the tractor, just because they're calling for more snow. Or actually freezing rain today, and then I believe some more snow tomorrow night. So I don't know if we'll get anything, but this stuff here is pretty deep. As you can tell here, I'll step. I just slid. But yeah, I mean, it's got some depth to it. I was gonna push all the way up to the shop there, but I was like, whatever, I'll just drive through with my truck. So that being said, stay tuned, guys. I'm probably gonna get the truck out in the snow. But yeah, we're gonna get the camera set up and probably play in the snow a little bit, so stay tuned. What is up, guys? So beginning of this video, you could see it was earlier in the morning. We were actually using the tractor to push snow. Now we have the wide open field, my truck, and my girlfriend. We're actually gonna be hooking a sled to the back. She wants to go sledding. I said, all right, we're gonna be setting up the camera somewhere out here, getting some footage. So that being said, we're gonna go ahead and get everything hooked up. We just have one single sled. I told her we have my old hood off the 79 that we could use, but you know, so we'll be using that. I got this tow strap here. She's ready to go. We're gonna put the camera up and see what happens.
Ryan Little.
My fingers are numb.
There we go, guys. Little fun out here in the snow. Bald tires out here aren't the greatest, and yeah, they just get packed full. I mean, packed full. Bumpers filled with snow. Pretty sure this one CV axle's up here is coated in snow. I think it's actually this side. Yeah, you got some snow in her. Just having some fun out here. Might as well enjoy it while we have some. We're not doing any damage just because the ground's frozen. We're barely breaking the surface here. This is more just bean stubble and stuff than anything right here. So yeah, like there we barely hit the ground, and that's like rock solid. So I don't think we have an issue. It'd be fun to get a razor out here and, oh, there's Caleb over there doing some, oh, he's stuck. Oh, maybe. You're gonna have to put him full of drive. Is he stuck? There you go, full of drive. I don't know if he's coming over here or not. But it's just fun to get out here and blow off some steam and stuff, guys. I mean, you can't live your life by the book all the time. So figured I'd come out here and just have fun. I think maybe tomorrow we'll get the 79 out here. Might have to throw in the front drive shaft before we actually bring it out here because it doesn't have four-wheel drive. And that might be a problem, but here goes Caleb. Did you get stuck over there?
Yeah, we got a little bit of a low spot at a little 4x4. Let her kick in a little bit.
He might actually be able to go out here and do two-wheel drive. He's got some more meat on his tires than what I do.
Yeah, that was all two-wheel there. I took four-wheel out.
Yeah.
I didn't feel like braking anything.
He took my truck up to Grandma and Grandpa's a while ago and couldn't even make it out of the driveway. So
we got stuck in the driveway twice.
I think it's time for some new tires on the 98. But no, I was telling them, I'll just come out here, have fun. Pulled her behind the sled a couple times.
Well, I texted you and said we should do a video us running it while we got it. So.
Probably make another one. Like I said, I told them probably tomorrow I'll get the 79 out here. Well, doesn't have a
cheap fixing though.
Huh?
So that's cheap fixing.
Yeah, unlike that. 79, if I break the front axle or something, I got another one laying there. So, but yeah, guys, like I said, I have another video coming out probably tomorrow. Of us out here playing in the snow. I'll get the 79 out here and just do some fun stuff. Yeah, so be sure to stay tuned. I'm sure he'll have the dynomax out here. So, oh, there's some black smoke there. Shoo!
She just locked in place right there.
You're leaving black smoke marks on the snow. She's a little black there. But no, anyway, guys, be sure to stay tuned. Like I said, we're gonna have some fun while we have this. I know they're calling for some freezing rain and snow tomorrow, so it's probably gonna get slicker than snot anyway. So remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GM man. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.